Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to learn French but didn't know where to start, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll learn basic French words, phrases, and sentences and translate them into English, step by step, slowly and clearly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to speak simple French confidently and understand everyday conversations. Part 1. Basic French greetings. Let's start with greetings. The first step in any language. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, hi. Comment ça va? How are you? Ça va bien. I'm fine. Merci, thank you. Au revoir, goodbye. Again, repeat after me. I'll say it in French first, then in English. Common daily words. Now let's learn some everyday French words you can use at home, school, or work. Oui equals yes. Non equals no. S'il vous plaît equals please. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Je ne comprends pas, I don't understand. Parlez lentement, s'il vous plaît. Speak slowly, please. Pourquoi? Listen carefully to pronunciation and try repeating with me. End. Part 3. Basic French sentences. Now we'll practice short sentences you can use in real life. Je m'appelle Zubair. My name is Jamali. J'habite au Pakistan. I live in Pakistan. J'aime apprendre le français. I love learning French. Où est la gare? Where is the station? Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Je veux un café. I want a coffee. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? Repeat with me. Say each French line slowly and confidently. End. Part 4. Conversation practice. Let's do a short conversation in French and English. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Bonjour. Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? Ça va très bien. Où habites-tu? J'habite à Karachi, au Pakistan. Translation follows in English. Then ask viewers. Try repeating this conversation in your own voice. Pause the video and practice aloud. Star. Part 5 Quick Recap and Practice Challenge. Awesome. You've just learned over 50 basic French words and sentences. Now your challenge. Write 3 short sentences in French in the comments below, and I'll reply with the English meaning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next lesson. Intermediate French to English. France to English. Outro. Merci beaucoup for watching. Keep practicing, and remember, every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. À bientôt. See you soon.